Welcome to my channel. For this video, we will learn how to deactivate Facebook profile accounts. If you feel like you wanted to take a break from the toxicity of Facebook, this is the time to deactivate your account. To do that, go to your main profile and look for this cogwheel icon that's located in the upper right of the screen. Once you're done clicking it, you will then be routed to your profile settings page. Click Access and Control. It will then take you to the Access and Control page, which would give you memorialization settings, and of course, we have to click Deactivation and Deletion. The next page will then give you two options. First is to deactivate the account, and second is to delete it. If you are certain that you do not want to use your Facebook account anymore, you can select Delete Account. Otherwise, click on Deactivate Account to temporarily deactivate it. Once you hit Deactivate Account, you will be routed to a page which would allow you to confirm your password to make sure the security of the account and to make sure that it's you who is requesting for the deactivation and it's not someone else. Just enter the password and hit Continue. Facebook would like to know the reason why you are deactivating the account. So there are choices that you could choose from. If your reason is not applicable to all the choices given, select the other Please Explain Further and just enter whatever you wanted to explain to Facebook. For this tutorial, I choose This is temporary and I'll be back. Then I hit Continue. So the next page is going to give you a bunch of information which you just have to read through. Just scroll down and you would see this at the bottom of the page that would ask you how many days you would like your account to be reactivated. So for this tutorial, I choose Don't Reactivate Automatically and then I hit Continue. And then again, you will be routed to a page that has a bunch of information in it. It includes a reminder that Messenger will still remain active even if you already deactivated your Facebook profile. So you just have to scroll all the way down to the bottom and hit Deactivate My Account. So there, you have successfully deactivated your account. So once again, I want to thank you for watching this video. If you want to see videos like this, please consider subscribing to my channel and hit the like button and notification bell. And I see you on the next. Goodbye.